going on YouTube? This is Paul with Sizzling Arrow. Wanted to just chat with you about something real quick. Thursday of last week, I placed an order with the company Euro Optic. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of them. I'm sure you probably have, but this is the second time that I've ordered products from them. And like I said, I ordered this thing on Thursday. It arrived at my house Sunday afternoon, right in time for Father's Day, which that was cool stuff. But really what I found with Euro Optics, and as you guys know if you've watched a few of my other videos, I'm not the person that's going to go out and buy the hottest, newest thing. I'm not that type of person. I'm not going to pay full price for things like that, especially when you can get a couple years, like the last year's model or maybe a year before that's model. And I mean, these things work just the same, except for maybe a few minor tweaks that they have done throughout the, for the next year or whatnot to improve the product. But I mean, these things are still very functional, great products, and you can get them for a fraction of the cost. So that's what I did with this one. That's what I did with my Sitka Cloudburst rain gear as well. The Cloudburst, I got the jacket and pants for pretty much the same price that I would have got just one or the other if you would have bought it brand new. So I mean, they're still brand new, but if you would have bought it when they first came out, let's put it that way. This is no different. So what I'm going to be doing is we're going to be doing the unboxing real quick of the Vortex Viper PST rifle scope. That, I'm not going to really get into logistics on it. That'll be for the later review when I actually get it put on the 6.5 Creedmoor that I'm going to be building up here shortly. But we're just going to unbox, see what's in the box, show you guys what it looks like, and just kind of go over the basics with it. So that's kind of what we're going to do now. Got a nice little sticker here from Euro Optics, but definitely a big shout out to that company for getting it to me so fast and having the best prices that I could find. This is, like I said, the Vortex Viper PST rifle scope. It is the 6x24x50 FFP EBR-2C MOA. So pretty much, the reticle is kind of a Christmas tree stack for kind of a tactical shooting setup, which that's what we're going to be using it for, and a little bit of long range shooting as well. So this right here, you got the scope in there, nice packaged up real good. You got a sunshade right there, which will look pretty cool once you get it all set up. Let's see, we're going to pull the sunshade out here first. There's a little baggie in here. You got a Vortex pin, and then you got a battery for the reticle in the back. So we'll put that in there here in a little bit. But sunshade, nice and packaged up well. That's what you got in there. Sunshade you put on the end of it. Here's the scope. The thing that's pretty cool about this, you have, the turrets you can adjust as need be. You don't have to pull off the caps or anything. I'm a big fan of Vortex. Always enjoyed their products. Like the warranty, the customer service that they have is absolutely fantastic. Really, you shouldn't really have to send anything back to them, but I have as an old, that's discontinued now, but it's an old spotting scope, 20x60 by 80, and I can't even remember the name of it, but it didn't seem to gather light the way that I wanted to, and it needed a little bit of cleaning. So I called them up and said, told them my issues with it, and they told me to send it back. So I sent it back. They took it apart, looked it over, cleaned it up, sent it back, pretty much looking brand new. And definitely, it's not the best scope that I've looked through, but it's also the base model is very, it's the cheapest one that I could find at the time. So if you go into the Razor spotting scopes, you're going to get a good quality glass. I mean, I've looked through those and they're really good. These for rifle scopes, these are awesome. Vortex Vipers. I've got another Viper, not this model, but it's a different model on my 7 mag, which we'll probably do a review on that one a little bit later. But anyway, this one is good tactical. You got the wind adjustments here. You've got your reticle adjustments there to where you can, I guess, increase the lighting on it or whatnot. But battery goes in here. And yeah, I mean, this is pretty slick scope. You put the sunshade on it, increases the length of it and keeps that glare out. Ooh. we're not going to put that on, but you kind of get the idea. It's going to extend it out, make it a little bit better in the sun. You also get Vortex Viper instruction manual. You definitely need one of those, right? Probably won't look at it, but gives you information on the reticle, how to use it, all that good stuff. And then a nice cleaning cloth for your scope. And of course, it's got the Vortex logo on it. So anyway, that really is just the unboxing of the Vortex Viper PST Riflescope. I'm excited about getting it on my gun. I don't have the gun yet. We'll be doing a build video at some point here in the near future whenever I get all the pieces in my possession. And we'll start putting that thing together and we'll see what it looks like when it's done. And then we'll go and do the fun stuff and see how it shoots. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and check us out for the other videos. And make sure you check out our podcast and the website. Podcast is at Sizzling Arrow. And you can find that anywhere you get podcasts. Apple, Spotify, Pandora, iHeartRadio. And the website is www.sizzlingarrow.com. Make sure you check it out. We've got great t-shirts, tumblers, and hats. So make sure you check that out too. And sign up for the memberships and get some cool recipes and be the first to know about different events coming up. Thanks a lot, guys. Talk to you later.